Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Topteng rear blind spot radar sensor, model KB3Z14C689B, designed for select Ford vehicles. It serves as a direct replacement for your vehicle's factory blind spot monitoring system, restoring functionality and ensuring safety during lane changes and highway driving. The sensor is built from a combination of durable ABS plastic and metal, providing excellent impact resistance and long-lasting reliability. Its lightweight design and weatherproof construction make it suitable for various driving conditions, from heavy rain to extreme heat. Engineered according to original factory specifications, it matches the OEM part perfectly, ensuring seamless integration with your vehicle's existing safety systems. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its plug-and-play design, requiring no modifications. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a skilled DIY enthusiast, the process is quick and hassle-free. Once installed, the sensor works to detect vehicles in adjacent lanes, alerting the driver in a timely manner to prevent potential collisions. It meets or exceeds manufacturer standards for detection accuracy and response speed, making it a reliable upgrade for any compatible Ford vehicle. This product is lightweight, with dimensions of just under 6 inches in length, width, and 3 inches in height, and it weighs around 1.3 pounds, making it easy to handle during installation. The sensor is also built to last, using high-quality materials that resist rust and fading over time. With its precise engineering and durable construction, the Topteng rear blind spot radar sensor ensures dependable performance for years to come. Overall, if you're looking to maintain or restore the blind spot monitoring functionality on your Ford Ranger or Transit model, this sensor offers an affordable and reliable solution. It provides a perfect fit, easy installation, and OEM-level performance, enhancing your vehicle's safety features without compromise. That wraps up our review of the Topteng rear blind spot radar sensor. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of automotive tech and accessories.